I love that this hospital has just such a strong foundation in our community. They're connected to the doctors and the nursing staff and just really our staff in general, and it's that sense of community that really drew me to the position here and to being at St. Mary's Hospital. I've been in Jefferson City for the past 4 years, but I've been in the central Missouri area for about 15 years. After I graduated from Mizzou with my bachelor's in atmospheric science, I worked at KOMU for about 7 years, starting off as the midday meteorologist and then moving over to the morning meteorologist. Eventually made my way to Catholic Charities of Central and Northern Missouri. Loved every moment of working there as well, but when this position opened up at SSM Health St. Mary's Hospital, I was really excited. I know how important that this hospital is to our Jefferson City community and the area surrounding it, and I was just really excited about the opportunity, so I'm happy to be here. I just want to say thank you so much to all of the staff and the community for welcoming me into this position. It's been a wonderful first month and a half so far, and I'm really excited to be here, and I feel really, really welcomed. I'm excited for the year ahead. We're going to keep on going with some traditional things that the foundation has done in the past, mainly the Swing for St. Mary's Golf, Pickleball, and Tennis Tournament. That's coming up on October 7th, so be there. I'm just excited to do some new things, try some new things out, and just really stay community focused with the foundation and help out as many staff members that we can.